Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief AfterShip tutorial for beginners. Now this video will have everything you'll need to get started on AfterShip. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So first up, what we have here is the AfterShip dashboard, and to create your own account, you just head to the AfterShip website right here. So AfterShip, and then you should see this on the search results, and here you can actually book a demo as well in case you're not yet convinced on getting started with an AfterShip account. So if we try to check this, you can get a free demo of AfterShip's post-purchase platform just to get you started or get you convinced on subscribing with AfterShip. So right there, just provide your business email, country, region, then details, website URL, and the like, and then submit. You can also tell them about some challenges or goals that you are hoping to solve or reach with AfterShip, so it becomes more personalized, whatever their demo is or the demo they're going to provide you, and just have it submitted, and then you'll have your own demo sent to you. You can see here some of the trusted brands or partner brands of AfterShip. We have Gymshark, Wish, Decathlon, Watsons, Casetify, and the like. So, yep, just to give a bit of background check. Then, once you're ready to get started, you can sign up for a new account right here. So, since I'm already logged in, this one says go to my account, but normally this would say sign up or log in. And you can actually sign up with your Google Mail, or you can just manually input your details. So just do that and then follow the prompts, and you should be able to land on this page right here. So first up, we have the getting started with tracking. So getting started, this usually comes with new accounts, and as you can see, we're using a tracking free trial that ends in 7 days. So if you want to test it out first, then you can do so right here. You have 7 days to try out the AfterShip platform, and you can check their plans right here at AfterShip tracking-admin. We're just going to let this load up a bit. And here they have these subscription plans for Essentials, $11 per month, Pro, Premium, which is recommended at $239 per month. Every inclusion is listed here, and there's also Enterprise for custom right there. So just check that out, and feel free to choose whichever your preference is. So here, heading back, getting started with tracking, you can manage everything in one place. So here you can import your shipments. You can choose how you want to import your shipments to your tracking dashboard. You can either connect a store. For example, you have a Shopify account or a Shopify website, then you can connect that right here. You can import by CSV, or you can enter it manually. You can also import by API. So there's more info right here for API if you want to check that out. But basically, let's see how this looks. Just here are some of the platforms that you can connect. You have Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Salesforce, Wix, Magento rather, sorry, Magento 2. And there's also other custom builds. For more info, you can import by CSV right here. And just head back a bit. Cancel this. Let's go back to the home page on getting started, connect store. And then let's try checking the enter manually. You can see here the tracking number, courier, origin, destination, order number, shipment title, language, and the customer. So just basically manual details for entering or tracking dashboards for shipments. All right, so we're gonna head back to our homepage. So for getting started, that's the part on import your shipments. Now explore the dashboard. So here we're at our dashboard, and at our homepage we have this tracked shipments, non-delivered shipments. We have a graph for shipments over time, on-time shipments over time, You can see here, it's categorized by color, on time, late, early, tracking page visits, notifications. You can enable notification here. You can also create flows to automate your notifications, as we currently have 50 SMS credits remaining. So I believe this comes with the free trial. Since we're only using a free account, there is a quota, or there's a limit. So here you can enable these notifications. So when shipment updates to info received, when shipment updates to in transit, when shipment updates to out for delivery. So those necessary information, if you want to keep track of them, then just toggle them on in this section so that you will be notified if the shipment updates into these specific status. You can also see we have some recommended flows here for estimated delivery date revised. Notify customers when their shipment's estimated delivery date has changed. So this is very useful for reeling in customers, since they really like to be updated on their shipment. Of course, nobody likes a delayed shipment or parcel, so this will be helpful if there are any changes to the estimated time arrival. But unfortunately, this is a premium feature, so you're going to have to upgrade to have access to this recommended flow. There's also order fulfillment, where you can notify customers when their order is shipped and recommend products frequently bought together. So this can improve or boost your sales if you want to have this recommendations, just to show them what other products that are usually bought with the product that they just bought from you. There's also pending. Notify customers when a shipment remains pending for several days. You can get started with this for free. And if you want to look for more templates, there's more in this see all templates link right here. Just feel free to check that out, just to track your shipments better. Now we're going to head back to our home page, check what else we have here. All right, this is the trial ending. You can also contact support here. They have a message box here in case you need help with anything. I believe this is AI automated, so just any questions at all that's confusing you on the process, then there's an easy access chatbot here. And for getting started, let's check back. Creating a branded tracking page, adding a tracking page to your store. So you can explore this feature from here. So stop using carrier tracking pages, keep customers on your store, reduce Wismo queries, and showcase your latest product and content. So here you can check that out. You have tracking pages. You can design different pages to create customized tracking experiences for your customers. And you can also create from scratch, or you can start by selecting a template. So just to make your shipment tracking more aesthetically pleasing, and of course, if it looks more pleasing and more professional, you'll be able to reel in more customers. So just give this a check out in case you want to apply this to your AfterShip, and it should improve the tracking mechanism or tracking system of your business. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.